everyone, Fay Explorer here. I'm so excited to share my experiences, journeys, trips, tricks and tips. And in today's video, are you looking to bring your spouse to the UK? Our comprehensive 2024 UK Spousal Visa Guide covers all the essential details you need to know to successfully apply for a UK spouse visa, from eligibility criteria and financial requirements to step-by-step application instructions and common pitfalls. We've got you covered. Whether you are just starting your application or need help with specific aspects of the process, this video is your go-to resource for making your UK spousal visa journey as smooth as possible. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more updates and tips on UK immigration and visas. A disclaimer, I'm not an immigration lawyer. I gather my content from intensive research, interviews, and personal experiences. Overview. The UK spousal visa allows the spouse or partner of a British citizen or a person with settled status to join them in the UK. It is officially known as the family visa, under the category of spouse, partner, or child. Eligibility criteria. 1. Relationship status. You must be married to or in a civil partnership with a British citizen, a person with indefinite leave to remain, ILR, or settled status under the EU settlement scheme. You must have been in a genuine and subsisting relationship for at least 2 years, even married or in a civil partnership. 2. Living together. You must have lived together in the same country for at least 2 years before applying, unless you are married or in a civil partnership. Number 3. Age. Both partners must at least be 18 years old and above. 4. English language requirement. You must prove your English language proficiency by passing an approved English language test or holding a degree taught in English. So let's look at the English language requirements. 1. Test options. Approved English language tests. You can pass an approved English language test at a secure English language test (SELT) provider. The test must be at least at CEFR level A1 for the initial application and CEFR level B1 for further extensions and indefinite leave to remain ILR applications. Degree taught in English. If you have a degree that was taught in English, you can use this as proof of your English language proficiency. The degree must be recognized by UK NARIC, National Recognition Information Center, as being equivalent to a UK bachelor's degree or higher. 2. Test requirements. For initial spousal visa application, you need to pass the A1 level English test in speaking and listening. For ILR and further extensions, you need to pass the B1 level English test in speaking and listening. Number 3. Approved test providers. The UK government recognizes specific tests and providers. For example, IELTS for UKVI, International English Language Testing System. Trinity College London for SELT. The tests must be taken at an approved SELT center. Number 4. Exemptions. Some applicants may be exempt from this requirement. Exemptions include applicants over the age of 65 and applicants with a long-term physical or mental condition that prevents them from meeting the requirement. So what are the pass marks? 1. CEFR level A1. The A1 test assesses basic English skills. You need to demonstrate an ability to understand and use familiar everyday expressions and very basic phrases aimed at satisfying immediate needs. 2. CEFR level B1. The B1 test assesses intermediate English skills. You need to show that you can deal with most situations likely to arise whilst traveling in an area where the language is spoken. Produce simple connected text on topics that are familiar or of personal interest, and describe experiences, events, dreams, hopes, and ambitions. So how to prepare? Choose an approved test provider. Make sure you choose a test provider approved by the UK Home Office. Prepare for the test. Study for the test using available resources such as practice tests and language learning materials. Check validity. Ensure that the test results are valid and that they meet the requirements specified by the UK Home Office. By meeting these requirements and preparing accordingly, you can fulfill the English language requirements for your UK spousal visa application. Financial requirements. You must meet the minimum financial requirements to show that you can support yourself without recourse to public funds. So these requirements include: 1. Income threshold. You must demonstrate an annual income of at least £18,600. This amount increases if you have children. £22,400 for one child, plus an additional £2,400 for each additional child. 2. Alternative sources. If you do not meet the income threshold through employment, you may use savings. You need to have savings of £62,500 if you are relying solely on savings to meet the requirement. The savings must be held for at least 6 months. 3. Evidence. Provide payslips, bank statements, or other proof of income if using savings. Show evidence of the amount in savings accounts or investment. Step-by-step application instructions. 1. Prepare your documents. Gather all required documents including passports, marriage or civil partnership certificates, proof of income, English language test results, and proof of accommodation. Number 2. Complete the application form. Fill out the online application form on the UK government website. Be thorough and accurate. 3. Pay the application fee. The fee is typically around £1,500 plus an additional fee for the healthcare surcharge of approximately £624 per year. 4. Biometrics appointment. Book and attend a biometric appointment to provide your fingerprints and photograph. 5. Submit supporting document. Submit your supporting documents as part of your application. This may be done online or at a local visa application center. 6. Attend an interview. In some cases, you may be asked to attend an interview to verify the authenticity of your relationship. 7. Wait for a decision. Processing times can vary, but it usually takes around 2 to 3 months. You will receive a decision by mail or electronically. 8. Receive your visa. If approved, you will receive your visa, Vignet, which you must use to travel to the UK. Once in the UK, you receive a biometric residence permit, BRP, within 10 days. Insider tips. 1. Document accuracy. Ensure all your documents are accurate, up-to-date, and translated into English if necessary. Inaccurate and incomplete information can delay your application. 2. Maintain records. Keep records of all correspondence with the Home Office and any changes in your circumstances. 3. Professional advice. Consider consulting an immigration lawyer or advisor to help with complex cases or to ensure that your application is as strong as possible. 4. Be honest. Always provide truthful information. Any discrepancies or attempts to mislead can lead to application refusal and a potential ban on future applications. So we have some common pitfalls. Incomplete documentation. Missing documents or incomplete details can lead to delays or rejections. Double check all requirements. Financial requirements. Not meeting the financial threshold or failing to provide sufficient evidence can result in refusal. Ensure you understand all financial requirements and provide clear documentation. 3. English language requirements. Failing to meet the English language requirements or not providing the correct proof can delay your application. Proof of relationship. Insufficient evidence of a genuine relationship can lead to rejection. Provide comprehensive evidence of your relationship, including photos, joint accounts, and communication history. 5. Application fees. Ensure you pay the correct fee and healthcare surcharge. Mistakes in payments can delay processing. By following these guidelines and preparing thoroughly and carefree, you can increase your chances of a successful UK spousal visa application. In case of any queries concerning this video, please comment below the video or write us an email at fayexploreradvisors@gmail.com and we shall gladly respond. Thank you very much for watching my video. God bless you. I love you.